Hey, Tommy Cat here. Today's project is assembling an electric bike. This is my first one. They come with a lithium-ion battery, and let's take a look. Okay, next thing I got to do is start cutting these tie wraps. But before I even do that, I'm just going to go through a checklist and make sure nothing's missing. Got the charger, that's already inside. The seat. Get the pedals. This actually comes with lights. Okay, so again, step one, make sure nothing is missing. Okay, everything looks good. I have all the parts. The bike actually comes with a toolkit. Bunch of Allen keys. You have the reflectors, the electric light. Next thing I'm going to do is get that battery plugged in. I'm going to start that charging. I believe it takes about 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. Alright, and let's start putting it together. Here we have the main bike. One of the reasons I decided to buy this particular bike is it has a shock absorber in the back right here, and plus the front forks are also shock absorbers. You got nice fat tires. This bike says it's got a 40 to 55 mile range, which is a lot. And it also has a pedal assist. It's got 21 speeds, LED screen. Okay, so you want to go to the manual. Just get familiar with all the parts, where they go. And you want to see what you want to do first. Thinking of putting that front tire on. Let's see what the instructions say. Okay, so here's the handlebar instructions. They actually tell you to do that first. But I'm actually going to do the front wheel. And the reason for that is I could stand it up on 2 wheels. It'll make it easier to do the handlebars. Okay, so let's get that going. Okay, in order to maintain the integrity of the forks in the front, the bike comes shift with this spacer right here. It's basically a replica of the rim itself. And what we're going to do is going to run this through the rim, take this off. Okay, front rim has a disc on it. It's almost like a disc brake. It's only on one side. And when you put the tire on, you want to make sure that that disc is lined up with the braking system. Okay, we have a similar one in the back here. Okay, you have the front wheel in place. What I need to do now is run that pin through there and make sure that the slot in the washer goes in that hole. So let's get that done. Okay, this is what we're going to use to secure that front wheel. And you have a quick disconnect so you can take the wheel on and off easily. You have the spring, and then there's that washer I was talking about. And the same thing on the other side. You got the washer with the slot and another spring. Okay, as you can see, that special washer is in place. This is very important. This is what keeps your front wheel from flying off. And now I could go ahead and tighten this by hand. Good thing about this front wheel is it's designed to be able to be removed without any tools at all. Okay, so you basically use this lever, get it snugged up, then fold it over, and that's it. So you got your washer in place. This is nice and snug. Now your front wheels won't come off. Alright, let's go to the handlebars. In order to install the handlebars, I need to remove them from the main shaft that goes into the frame. Okay? And that's what these Allen keys are for. So let me go ahead and get that off. In order to install the main steering shaft, you're going to need the largest Allen key in the set. Okay, this is the part that goes into the frame. And then you tighten down that Allen key bolt. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is loosen it up and slip it in there. Okay, I have the steering shaft inserted into the frame. I'm not going to tighten this just yet. I'm going to get the handlebars on first. This way I could set up the alignment accurately. Okay, I have the handlebars on. If I need to adjust the alignment, it's going to be with that Allen key bolt right there. Okay, very important. You want to make sure that the wiring is free, so you can turn the wheel without the wiring binding up. Okay, next thing I'm going to do with the pedals. You have a left and a right. Don't mix them up. Let's get them on. They give you that little Allen key wrench, and there's a couple of other little wrenches in there. Okay, it comes with this tool to move all the nuts, to tighten them up. You can't really get good torque with these, so I'm just going to use my regular tools. Metric size 13 and 14. For the pedals, I'm going to use this 15. And one thing to keep in mind, the left side pedal has reverse threads. So to tighten it, you're just going to go normally how you would to loosen it. And the reason for that is so it doesn't come loose while you're pedaling. Okay, as you can see, the 15 fits on there perfectly. Next is the seat. Just going to put the little reflector on in the back. You know where the seat goes. And again, one of those quick disconnects. Got the front light, and this is where the battery goes. Let me show you that. Now what you have to do is turn this key, and it's a little lock that locks the battery in place. So to install the battery, you're going to retract that. Okay, here's the battery. There's the charging port. It's 100% charged, so I'll go ahead and close this. Okay, you slide the battery in. Okay, then you turn the key to lock it in place. Okay, there's the switch. And the plastic fender, reflector. I think I'm going to change the seat. I want to get something a little more comfortable. Okay, here's the new seat installed. Installs just like the factory seat. The seat has some two nice big springs. I replaced the reflector with an LED light. Different modes. I tend to wear black a lot, so it's kind of invisible. So I decided to put this light on. Different flashing modes just to increase your visibility. And this seat really makes a big difference. Let's take a look at the controls. The gear selector on the left side controls the front sprocket, and the gear selector on the right side controls your back rim. Throttle, just like a motorcycle, and obviously the brakes. Okay, next you have to wake up the battery. It's got a built-in battery gauge. All right, turn it on, press and hold for a second. Okay, what I usually do is I'll start on assist 1. Give me a little bit of assistance, but I'm also getting exercise. Okay, once you feel comfortable, you can bring that number up. Bring it all the way up to 5. The fastest I've gone is 20 miles an hour. It feels like you're flying. The other cool thing about this bike is it's got your odometer. So far I put 64 miles on the bike, and it tells you how fast you're going, miles per hour. There's your battery gauge right there. And that's about it for the controls. Okay, here's the bike with the upgraded seat installed. I also decided to put in a little pouch for carrying keys or phone or whatever. Thanks for watching.